friends, in this video we are going to see how we can use an existing VueJs project in a NuxtJs project setup. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to use our existing VueJs project and then kind of transform it into our NuxtJs project. So to begin with, here I have my existing VueJS project, and in the web app directory is my new project, NuxtJS Project. So what I'm going to do here is basically I'm going to first copy the necessary pages, you can say, in my NuxtJS pages directory to move home.vue file, right? And now here I'm going to add here components from my VueJS project. So I need navigation bar, report, share, and post preview. Now I'm going to move these components in the components directory of my NuxtJS application. Now that I have copied the necessary components required for my home page, what I'm going to do now is we need the other JavaScript files as well as we need styles file. Now I have done some basic setup in this NuxtJS application. So what I'm going to do here is, so if you look here in the build modules, my Tailwind CSS is already added. And the same is with my package.json. In the dev dependencies, you can see there is Tailwind CSS added. So now that the basic setup is done, I'm going to create a file here. Tailwind.config.js. Fine, now our tailwind.config.js is set up. We need to create a basic file here. For that, I am going to use my existing file, which is in my Vue project. If you don't have any existing Tailwind setup or any existing Tailwind CSS file for using Tailwind projects in your existing Vue.js application project, then I would recommend you to create one. So for now, as I have already used a Tailwind file dedicated to Tailwind CSS, I'm going to just use it. So this is the file that is generated every time. I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. And also I need the styles.css, this file here. I'm going to copy this, and for my pages in my home.vue, here I need the main.css file, and it is in my parent directory. Fine, and I'm going to do the same thing with all the other files which need this main.css file, and it looks like it is already there. And apart from that, I also need to bring the JavaScript file from my VueJS project. Fine, and here I'm going to run this NuxtJS project. Now it is saying that there is some sort of error here, and it is at TailwindCss. To resolve this, I'm going to refer to the already existing tailwind.config.js file in my old VueJs project. And yes, we did a mistake here. In this tailwind.config, we have set it as an object, so basically this is an array. Now we are going to run this again. Okay, maybe we'll try restarting this. So yeah, it looks like the build is successful. And I'm going to the home page, and it is saying that it cannot find a component, so we'll bring the other component as well from our VueJs file, VueJs project, and then refresh. Okay, we need another component here. So it looks like there is an error here, and we are going to remove this. And it says it's not able to find. Now it says there is some sort of error here. So it's related to the CSS file. So again, we need to resolve some issues. So this is our main.css file, and it says that it's not able to find this file. So right now our home.js is in pages directory. So when we are importing main.css, then it should be imported from the parent directory. Here it is in the parent directory, and this is our main.css file. Let's see, it says errors compiling template should contain exactly one root element. Okay, so basically we need, so it says there is some sort of error in our components. Let's resolve those errors. So yeah, we were using wrong path here. So now I need to run my backend server, and then refresh the page. Now you can see that my blog project is now running on NuxtJs. So that's how you can move your existing VueJs project or existing components in your VueJs project to your new NuxtJs project setup. Now obviously in our NuxtJs or in our VueJs we were using router for navigation. Now we need to modify that. Now whenever you move your project from your VueJS application to NuxtJS, there will be some things in the code that you need to change, like in case of routing. Here we have the pages, or all the pages in the pages directory will be treated as routes, so you need to modify the code which was relying on the router, view router.